Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing something super exciting. Flo is going to be going away for a business trip for a few days, and he completely hates the back end of his car, especially the OEM diffuser that he has and the fake exhaust tips. So while he's away, we're going to be installing the RS diffuser, including these RS style exhaust tips. The RS6 has always been his dream car, so I'm super excited to see his reaction in the end, especially because we're always clowning him how his A6 is stock. And luckily, we have our very own in-house mechanic. Yo, Mentor, did you talk to Flo?
Yeah. He said he's gonna come shortly though.
What did you tell him about leaving his car here?
I just told him that we're gonna 3D scan his car for some new parts that we're making. We just gotta make sure he doesn't come back here to see this.
Who's taking him to the airport?
Yo, that's huge.
Okay.
His flight's at 4 and this guy wants to leave at 9 a.m. Like, he's such a geezer.
He's a certified unk. We're gonna be filming the whole process, including dropping him off at the airport, picking him up, and the whole install. So stay tuned. Our boy Flo is here.
Stop recording me. Stop recording me.
Yo, you look fly. Cause you look fly.
Okay, yo, let's go. I'm already late. It's 9:30, so we have to go.
Certified
on
unk.
to the airport?
Me.
She is.
Okay, no. I leave my keys with you, I guess.
Don't worry, I got the Prezi. I'll hold down the Prezi.
What's wrong with you, dog?
It's my car right now.
Okay, yo, okay, Carter, let's go.
Yeah, have a safe trip, boys.
Yeah, thank you. I'm gone for like 2-3 days. I'll be back.
Flo, are you ready?
Just open the trunk. Why are you recording me?
I can't believe you're leaving us for a few days.
You gotta do what you gotta do. Are you picking me up?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you.
He has no idea about the surprise. We're gonna try to get this done all before he comes back.
Alright, now with Flo gone and the Prezi in my hands, we're going to be upgrading it to this gloss black RS6 style diffuser. It's going to give it a way more aggressive look, especially with these stock tips that point down, and this plastic panel is going to change to the RS oval tips. Flo's going to have no idea and he's going to be shocked when he sees this. Today we're going to be installing the Cap Gloss Black C8 RS6 style diffuser that fits the C8 A6 and S6. And we're going to be showing you all the steps that you need to take and tools that you will need for this job. Okay, so the first step to remove this OEM diffuser, you will have to start from this corner. So we're going to put our pry tools in here, and what we want to do is this piece in the back is just going to go through the white portion here, and we're just going to pull it all the way through this way in the direction my finger is pointing, and we're just going to pull it out here using pry tools to pop it out. Then it'll come out like this on this side. As you can see, we pried it out. Once we take it out, we're just going to use our pry tools to go all the way around. What you're going to want to do, you can just use a flathead screwdriver to start, and you're just going to want to pry it in. And then on this side, just slowly pull it so you get enough space. And you will see there are some gaps here where you can put your pry tool in. And once you have this in, you can slowly start going up a bit more and just pull it out little by little just to get enough space to put all your pry tools. And then you can just pull it out. This is what was holding on the inside. And then afterwards, you're just gonna go around and start popping out the diffuser. Okay, so as you're pulling this out, what you're gonna wanna see, you'll see these tabs here, they're held on to this hook. So as you're pulling it down, you're gonna put your screwdriver and just push down against the black portion so it goes below that white tab just enough to clear. And see, the black tab made it out and it's easy to pull. Next, you'll see it's held on by these hooks here, here, and here. We're gonna pop these out next and take this OEM diffuser off. But first, let's disconnect these sensors in the back. So you'll see right here, the sensors, they have, right here, you can use a screwdriver, a flathead. You just need to push it out a bit, and then you'll be able to pull it. Same thing with the other side. Actually, that's it. Just the one. It's just this. Put that off to the side. And next, we just need to take off these hooks. So after you've disconnected the sensor, we're gonna remove these 3 T20 Torx screws. Now we're gonna transfer the sensors to the RS6 style diffuser. Okay, so we're just gonna take off the sensor. This is held on by 3M tape. We're gonna do the same thing, attaching it to the RS6 style diffuser. This portion, we just need to pry it out slightly. We'll just transition to the end here. Okay, wipe it down. I'm gonna put a new line. So first, let's line this up. Put some 3M tape on this portion. Okay, now we're just gonna line it up on the same corner where the OEM one was. So right around here. You just want to make sure you have enough space to put the sensor back onto this portion. Then we're going to put our line of 3M tape on here. We're gonna stick it on. And then we'll have this sensor down here. We're just gonna tape it on. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, now we're gonna mount this. So now we're just gonna mount this on. We're gonna put in the T20 Torx screws first, just so it's in place. And then we're gonna push the tabs to the OEM rear bumper. Just line it up, like so. All right, now we're gonna install the RS oval tips, and we're gonna use the adapter to redirect the stock pipe so it fits onto these tips. that's how you install the gloss black RS6 style diffuser for your C8 A6 S-Line and S6. And all you needed was a T20 Torx, a 16mm socket, and some pry tools. And you saw how easy it was. You will have to weld down the tips, but I mean, it's worth it because look how aggressive it looks now. Like this rear end was missing so many things. With the spoiler and the diffuser now on, it just looks amazing. Yo, I can't wait for to see this because we've been clowning on this dude for months for being stock. And now, when he sees this, he might actually faint his old ass.
There he is. He's gonna be so excited when he sees this car. What? Yeah, because we missed you. How was your trip?
It was good. It's fucking cold. Okay, let's go. Why is this guy recording?
Why not?
Why? Yes, yo. Take off the camera, man. What do you think? You good? Yo, stop recording. Then
It's good, bro.
you have my keys?
That nothing else? No, I miss you.
That's what I did. Dog, you haven't given me my stuff.
Here you go, bro.
Where's the car? Is it in the,
car's
is
in
it
the
in the
back.
back?
Yeah, we have
Like
to do that.
inside.
Why is it in the shop?
There was an issue.
Stop. Stop.
No.
No. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. You guys did this for me?
Yo, you know we have to do this.
Oh, bro, that looks so sick. When did you guys do this?
Yo, don't worry about that, fam.
Nah, this looks.
Shut up, bro.
You did it?
Yo, who else will do it?
Nah.
The mechanic.
Nah, man, this is what I've been waiting for. Like, the stock diffuser is so garbage.
Yeah, it's
And
tough.
also,
It's
no-
so tough.
No more fake exhaust tips.
Exactly. Oh my god. Nah, this is sick. I'm so excited. Can I drive it now?
We just washed it and everything.
So how did you guys do this? But didn't take this off.
Sure, you're asking
That's
for-
crazy.
you're asking for way too much.
No,
You're asking for
thank
way
you,
too
man.
much.
This looks, wow. I love it. This is one of the best days of my life. These guys finally got rid of the stock ugly diffuser on my car, and we added the RS conversion with the big RS tips, and we're so excited. If you like more content like this, make sure you hit subscribe and follow along for the build journey. See you next time.